Right, let's have a look at question 24. So it's a ratio question. We're told that the volume of the sphere is equal to the volume of the cone. We've got to give our answer as a ratio. So let's equate the two things. 4 over 3 pi r cubed equals 1 over 3 pi r squared h. Right, lots of things are the same, so we can cancel. I can cancel the dividing by 3. I can cancel the pi. Let's have a look at r cubed and r squared. So I can cancel r squared. What am I left with then? I've got 4r equals, pretty much cancelled everything that's on the right hand side. Okay, so I've got 4r equals h. And I have to give the answer r to h. Okay, so r to h. So what would that be then? I've got 4 lots of r equals h, so that would be 1 to 4. Right, next answer here, I've got a different solid and a different cone. I need to find the ratio r to h. Okay, the total surface area of the cone is equal to the surface area of the sphere. Okay, we've got the curved surface area, so I want the total would be the curved plus the area of the circle at the bottom. Okay, so that means I've got 4 pi r squared equals pi rl plus pi r squared. Okay, again, I've got a few things which are existing in every single thing. So I've got pi in every single term. Let's cancel it. I've got an r in every single term. So 1 there, cancel that one, cancel that one. What am I left with? I've got 4r equals L plus R. Right, I've got an L here. I don't want that L, do I? I want to get rid of it. So this is where we have to notice that actually I want H, which is my height. I'm going to need to use Pythagoras. So looking at that, I can say L squared equals H squared plus R squared. L is the square root of H squared plus R squared. Okay, let's sub that in, and what do we get with that? So I've got 4R. Oh, before I do plug that in, I've got this R here. Let's take it to the other side, make it a bit nicer. 3R equals L. Now I'm going to plug it in. 3R equals the square root of H squared plus R squared. Okay, let's square both sides. So 3R all squared will give me 9r squared equals 8 squared plus r squared. That gives me 8r squared equals h squared, like that. And again, I don't want the squares in there, so I'm going to square root both sides. So that gives me 8 square root of 8r equals h, like that. Okay, so I want it in the form 1 to root n. So basically that is 1 to root 8. But n is an integer and I've done what they asked us.